Control your Roku without the remote.
Hello there, gadget enthusiasts. Today, we're tackling a common problem. What to do if you've misplaced or lost your Roku remote. Don't worry. There is a solution that allows you to control your Roku device without a physical remote. Let's dive into it.
Can you control Roku without the remote?
The answer is a resounding yes. Roku offers a mobile app for both iOS and Android devices which you can use to control your Roku device. This means that you can navigate through your Roku as long as your smartphone and Roku device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network.
How to install the Roku app.
Installing the Roku app is as easy as any other app. Just head to your device's App Store, whether that's the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Roku and download the official Roku app. Once installed, you will be able to control your Roku device through this app.
How to use the Roku app as a remote.
After installing the Roku app, you'll need to connect it to your Roku device. Open the app and follow the prompts to connect to a device. Remember, the device and your smartphone must be on the same Wi-Fi network for this to work. Once connected, you'll see a remote interface on your smartphone screen. This works just like your physical Roku remote, so you can control your Roku device as usual. So there you have it. Losing your Roku remote isn't the end of the world. With the Roku mobile app, you can control your Roku device easily from your smartphone. This is not only a lifesaver when your remote goes missing, but it's also super convenient when your remote is just out of reach. Now, you have control right in the palm of your hand. We hope this guide has been helpful. Keep exploring and keep enjoying your Roku experience.